Welcome to the toolbox talk of foot protection. Foot protection means guarding your toes, ankles, and feet from injury. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about hazards and the work boots that should be worn by workers at workplace. Protective footwear, worn in the workplace, is designed to protect the foot from physical hazards such as falling objects, stepping on sharp objects, heat and cold, wet and slippery surfaces, or exposure to corrosive chemicals. Slips and falls do not always result in a foot injury, but lack of attention to foot safety plays an important role in their occurrence. We will discuss about the hazards that occur at workplace. Heavy materials that are being cut with a saw, shear, or cutting torch can fall and strike an employee's foot. Handling heavy tools or building materials that are easily dropped or knocked over by an employee, such as when working with or around bricks, blocks, steel components, and other similar building materials, can fall and strike your foot. Rolling objects and equipment, such as heavy pipes, steel billets, wheeled carts, and other round objects, can roll over or onto your foot. Sharp objects on walking surfaces, such as nails, sharp rubber, shards of broken glass, or sharp pieces of metal, can pierce the soles or side of your shoe or boot. Toxic chemicals that could saturate your footwear can be absorbed through your skin. Working around energized electrical lines and equipment exposing workers to electrical current can travel through footwear with conductive soles. Even when special protective footwear is not needed, work shoes or boots should fit comfortable without slipping or pinching the foot or toes. Be solidly constructed of sturdy materials that can resist wear and tear. Provide good foot support. Have low heels and non-skid sole for good traction. Be in good condition with no rips or holes. Fasten securely, laces shouldn't drag on the floor. Defective shoes with holes and penetration should not be used or wear with tape. Workers should follow the following safety rules at workplace for protecting the foot. Identify foot hazards for your job every time you push a trolley, when you climb, when you wear stilts, etc. Keep alert to foot hazards and avoid careless or risky behavior that could result in a foot injury. Watch where you're going and walk. Don't run from place to place. Always pay attention to where you place both of your feet. By keeping the following do's in mind, you can be safe and secured. Identify sources of hazards during a walk-through inspection. Keep your work area clean. Check your tools in their proper place. Now we will discuss some points that should be avoided. Do not take chances or unnecessary risks. Take the time to select the proper footwear for the hazard involved with the work task. Do not use inserts or insoles that do not properly fit the selected protective footwear. With this, let's complete our toolbox talk on foot protection. Have a safe day.